Start with 360 degrees. Alright. So, my name is Jerome. I'll be your nurse for the day. And I will be doing head to toe assessment. Is it okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Then, I will check the prescription first. Can you give me your name and your date of birth?
Julie Calandan, October 15, 1982.
Okay, thank you. So let me sanitize my hand first and put on the curtain for privacy. So I'll be starting with neurological assessment.
Okay.
So I will determine the level of consciousness, person, time, and place.
Okay.
So I'm gonna ask you some questions, all right, to determine that. Who is the President of America right now?
Donald Trump.
Okay. And where are you now?
Scarborough.
And what day is it today?
Sunday.
Okay, thank you. So, client shows that she's conscious and coherent. Next, I will assess her perla. I will use the torch to check both eyes for 5 seconds. Okay, the other side. The other side. Follow my. As I can see, patient pupils are equally round, reactive to light, with consensual response. Pupils are also accommodating, indicating normal neurological function. Thank you for that. So I will assess your facial droop next. Can you give me a smile? Okay. No facial droop. Patient is smiling bilaterally. Next, I will check for slurred vision. Can you say the sky is blue?
The sky is blue.
Okay, thank you. No slurred speech noted. Next is pronator drift. Stand up. Close your eyes. Lift your hand like this. Count to 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, take a seat. Negative pronator drip. Next is respiratory assessment. I'll just first inspect. Can you breathe? Deep breath, please. Okay. Okay. Inspection. Next, palpation. Okay, deep breath, please. Okay. Chest shows equal extraction and contraction bilaterally. Next, I'm gonna auscultate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, breath sounds are clear bilaterally, no adventitious breath sounds like crackles or wheezing noted. Next is cardiac assessment. I will auscultate again. Landmark the aortic valve. 1, 2, right sternal border, second intercostal space. Next is pulmonic valve. 1, 2, left sternal border, second intercostal space. Herb's point, left intercostal space, third sternal border. Tricuspid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth intercostal space, and mitral and apical. Fifth intercostal space, mid-clavicular line. The rhythm is regular, at least 60 to 100. Strength is +2. Next is abdominal assessment. I will do inspection first. I will put the client in a lying position. I will check the color and contour. No lumps, bumps, or lesion. Color is appropriate for ethnicity. Contour is flat, symmetrical, bilaterally. Okay. Now, next is I will do auscultation. Are you in pain?
No.
No. I will auscultate now for 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. Active vowel sounds heard. No bruits and active vowel sounds in all quadrants. Next, I will apply light palpation on all 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't feel anything superficial. No lumps, bumps after palpation. Next, last is extremities. I will inspect both extremities. No pain, deformity, edema, noted. Second is consistency and capillary refill for both extremity, feet. No clubbing of finger noted, and capillary refill is less than 2 seconds, which means it's normal. Third, I will landmark the carotid, dorsal pedis, and posterior tibial. Carotid, here. Dorsalis pedis, here. Posterior tibial is here. Strength of pulse is +2. Rhythm is normal and is equal bilaterally. Next, I will assess for muscle strength. Stand up, please. I will apply pressure. Some resistance here. Okay, take a seat. Put it up. Okay. One more. Patient demonstrate muscle strength 5 out of 5, even with resistance. So it's normal. So I will assess skin integrity. Let me check the patient elbow for the bony prominence, skin integrity, and skin turgor. Patient skin is intact, no signs of breakdown or any pressure source or ulcer. Okay, so now thank you so much. We are done for the head to toe assessment. Thank you for everything. We will gonna do the 360 camera angle again. Okay, thank you so much. That's it.